Mic check, 1, 2. Hey guys, zip tie here. Not much to do. Figured I'd take you for a little tour. I build these all for East Coast events. Apocalypse East, went to New Atlanta once. Stay tuned. I'm just going to do a little tour of my Wasteland motorcycle, gas-powered bicycle, a trike, a death car. I'll do a couple fly arounds with my drones. Maybe I'll try to fly into my shop without crashing. Just want to share what I built with the Wasteland community. Even though my stuff doesn't actually go to Wasteland because I live on the East Coast, it goes to Apocalypse East. I fly to Wasteland, but at Wasteland I am a member of the Dogs of War. Specifically, I'm a Smegma Crazy, Zip Tie Smeg. Lord Among Us rules the Waste. So yeah, I get to go turn a wrench a little bit there, help out Max, who is our tribe's builder. He built the fleet, the amazing Road Warrior Dogs of War fleet. Absolutely love all those rigs, love the buggies. So next time at Wasteland, make sure you guys swing by the Dogs of War, come check out those vehicles. They get enough credit because Theory Road is just kind of so wild and crazy. No big fancy garage. I'd like one, but it's not one. Don't need a giant shop to play Black Thumb. What are you doing? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. This guy right here. It's Dull Stinger. This is my latest creation. It's an old Speedway mini bike frame with an old Honda C90 style motor mounted into it. This is probably my favorite. It's an absolute blast to ride because of the large rear sprocket intended for a mini bike style motor. It has super low gearing. First gear just crawls along. This death cart right here, this is buckboard. No suspension, no frills, basic yard cart. When I bought buckboard for $75, 50 or 75 bucks, the frame had some different wheels and tires on it, and it actually had that motor bolted to that plate. Yeah, that motor was on this cart when I bought it. Didn't really work very well on it. I think it had one bolt holding it on. I bought this in the winter before New Atlanta, after my first Wasteland weekend. First Wasteland weekend was in 2018, so yeah, so I bought this in the winter. 2018 started working on it. I wanted to have a death cart ready for the death cart races at New Atlanta. Maybe I'll cut into some pictures we got from New Atlanta there. We get a little more on buckboard here. We've got some extra gasoline storage. Old Predator 212 on it. you're building a mini bike or a basic go-kart, those are the way to go. $100 at Harbor Freight. Now this has a centrifugal clutch on it. One important thing that a lot of people don't know is you actually got to take these clutches apart every so often. Separate the outer bell from the clutch pads and apply a light coating of oil to the inner shaft of the clutch. There's no way to grease it, there's no way to lube it, otherwise it'll eventually burn up. Next up we've got bed blade. That's my trike right there. Malaguti moped. That's what the front end's off here. One of those old pedal moped thingamajigger bobbers. Alright, bed blade is named bed blade from old blades, old lawnmower blades, an old bed frame. All built with scrap. Well, Malaguti was a scrap moped. Kind of scrap. Again, we get another Predator 212 right from Harbor Freight. Centrifugal clutch. We're down to a 62 sprocket in the live rear axle. You'll notice something very similar when you're looking at buckboard and bed blade. A very similar rear axle system, drive system. Ice Slicer started life as a 24-inch girl's bicycle. It was pretty purple. Then I got my hands on it. So I had two motorized bicycles at the same time and decided I had too much crap, too much junk. So I took some of the best features of what used to be Diversion, turned back into a little kid's bike over there. Old antique, rusted up, not so great seat that I grabbed off eBay. Some bicycle mini chopper bars, and I threw them on this. This has an 80cc two-stroke pedal starting motor. You can get these for like $100 on eBay. Fun to tinker with. I recently upgraded the rear sprocket to a larger rear sprocket, geared down. Had to gear it way down. Let me pan to the two different sprockets. One's what they come with stock, and this I found, I think this is like a 53 something or other tooth that I found on eBay. Stand by, I'll show you what the stock sprocket looks like compared to this sprocket. So yeah, that's got a larger rear sprocket. Instead of trying to ride something around like in third gear, it's like riding it around in first or second. These Chinese bicycle motors only have one gear internally. They've got a clutch. It's like a motorcycle clutch. That's neutral. Lock the clutch in, there's neutral. I'm gonna put a little rack back here, pile some shit on there. I'm gonna put a Springer front end on it, or try to. Make it a little bit more interesting. It's been fun, it's been a blast. It takes a lot of time to make videos. Anyways, I just wanted to toss a shout out to all my Wasteland friends on the east side and over on the west side. Hope everyone is doing what they can during these times to keep themselves occupied. Enjoy a little bit of a Wasteland activity. Alright, I'm Zip Tie. It was nice sharing a few minutes with you, rambling on, monologue. I think I'm going to stop talking now. Yeah, okay, I'm done.